In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all, beta? I hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher from Metropolitan School. Students, have you ever wondered how you understand and remember what the teacher teaches you? And what makes you remove your hand immediately when you touch a hot object? We can sense the changes that take place in our environment. Now, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 5, Nervous System. Nervous system is the network of nerve cells which transmit messages between parts of the body. The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It is a communication center for the body, sending and receiving messages and serving as the control center for the five senses. Students, basically, the nervous system controls the activities of all organ system of our body. हमारी बॉडी में जितने भी ऑर्गन सिस्टम वर्क करते हैं उनकी एक्टिविटीज को कंट्रोल करता है हमारा नर्वस सिस्टम. And this system consists of the following three components, that is brain, spinal cord and nerves. इन three components से मिलकर nervous system बनता है and the brain and spinal cord make up the central nervous system. Brain और spinal cord मिलकर central nervous system बनाते हैं. And this system control and coordinates the activities of all organ system in our body. Students, जब किसी शख्स के पांव पर चोट लगती है या वो दर्द फील करता है तो इसकी पूरी बॉडी चौंक जाती है. इसका हाथ फौरन जख्मी हिस्से तक पहुंचता है. इसके ब्रेन को पांव के जख्मी होने के बारे में कौन बताता है? इसके हाथ को जख्मी हिस्से तक पहुंचने का हुक्म कौन देता है? हमारी बॉडी में ये काम नर्वस सिस्टम करता है जो एक हिस्से से दूसरे हिस्से तक मैसेज कन्वे करता है. स्टूडेंट्स, द ब्रांच ऑफ मेडिकल साइंस that deals with the study of functions, working and disorders of the nervous system is known as neurology. साइंस की वो ब्रांच जो नर्वस सिस्टम की वर्किंग, फंक्शन और डिसऑर्डर को स्टडी करती है इसको न्यूरोलॉजी कहते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, a specially trained physician who diagnoses and treats disorders in the nervous system is known as neurologist. जो फिजिशियन नर्वस सिस्टम के डिसऑर्डर को ट्रीट करते हैं इनको न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट कहते हैं. Brain, spinal cord and nerves. These are three components of nervous system. Now we will study these components one by one in detail. Brain is the most important organ of the nervous system. It is made up of billions of neurons. Neurons are also called as nerve cells. Brain is a very sensitive and delicate organ which is protected by skull. The human brain is look like a walnut. Walnut is a dry fruit. Student, brain is most complex organ of our body. ब्रेन कंट्रोल करता है हमारी बॉडी की सारी एक्टिविटीज को और ये नर्वस सिस्टम का इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है. ह्यूमन ब्रेन न्यूरॉन से मिलकर बनता है। न्यूरॉन को नर्व सेल्स भी कहते हैं। द ह्यूमन ब्रेन is divided into three major parts. First one is cerebrum, second one is cerebellum, and third one is brainstem. Students, as you can see in this picture, this part of our brain is called as cerebrum. ये जो बड़ा पार्ट है, जो सबसे ज्यादा आपको पार्ट नजर आ रहा है ब्रेन का, इसको सेरिब्रम कहते हैं। सेरिब्रम के बाद ये जो नीचे सेरिब्रम के पार्ट है, इसको सेरिबेलम कहते हैं। और ये स्टेम लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जो प्रेजेंट है ब्रेन में, इसको ब्रेन स्टेम कहते हैं। एंड ब्रेन स्टेम इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज मेड्यूला। Cerebrum is the largest part of our brain. It is the center of our intelligence. This part of our brain is responsible for thinking and reasoning. It controls our eyes, ears, voice, nose, and tongue. We think, learn, remember, and reason because of it. The cerebellum is situated at the back of the brain and below the cerebrum. This part of our brain controls the balance, movement, and muscles coordination. It is because of cerebellum only that we can stand upright, move around, and maintain our balance. The brain stem lies beneath the cerebellum. It connects the rest of the brain to the spinal cord. The brain stem is also called as medulla. It controls vital activities like breathing, heartbeat, digestion, and blood circulation. All the information that the brain sends or receives passes through it. Human brain के 3 parts होते हैं: cerebrum, cerebellum, and brain stem. हमारी बॉडी में जितने भी वाइटल फंक्शंस होते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल डाइजेशन, ब्रीथिंग, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन, ये सारे काम ब्रेन स्टेम करता है। सेरिब्रम लार्जेस्ट पार्ट होता है ब्रेन का एंड इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर थिंकिंग, लर्निंग, रिमेम्बरिंग। हमारी बॉडी में जो बैलेंस मेंटेन होता है वो सेरिबेलम की वजह से होता है and it is responsible for controlling the movements and muscles coordination. The spinal cord is a long, thick bundle of nerves that extend from medulla or brainstem. It is protected and surrounded by the bony vertebral column. However, the length of the spinal cord is much shorter than the length of the vertebral column. It is connecting link between the brain and the rest of our body. It transfers information from brain to body parts or vice versa through nerves. Nerves form a network of pathways for conducting information throughout the body. They transfer messages to and from the brain. हमारी बॉडी में नर्व्स का एक नेटवर्क बिछा हुआ है जो मैसेज ट्रांसफर करता है ब्रेन से डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स तक. There are following 3 types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves bring messages from sense organs to brain. सेंस ऑर्गन से ब्रेन तक मैसेजेस सेंसरी नर्व्स के थ्रू कन्वे होता है। सेंस ऑर्गन कौन कौन से होते हैं हमारे? आईज, एयर, नोज, स्किन, these are sense organs of our body. Second one is motor nerves. Motor nerves carry messages from brain to other parts of the body. Motor nerves brain से different body parts तक messages को convey करती है. And third one is mixed nerves. Mixed nerves carry messages to and from the brain. When we touch a hot object, we remove our hand fastly because sensory nerves take message to the brain through a spinal cord and motor nerves send the message to the hand. In this way, our brain tells us to remove our hand fastly from hot object. Students, tell me, what have you learned in this topic? The nervous system control the activities of all organ system of our body. Brain is the most important organ of the nervous system. It is divided into three major parts. Cerebrum is the largest part. It is responsible for thinking and reasoning. Cerebellum, below the cerebrum, it controls the balance and movement. The brain stem lies beneath the cerebellum. It controls vital activities like breathing, digestion, and blood circulation. It is also called medulla. Students, now I am giving you some homework. Do question number 1 from your book, page number 65. This is a short question. Question number 1 is, why is nervous system very important for us? Explain briefly. Do question number 3 from your book, page number 65. And this is a long question. Question number 3 is, explain the following. Number 1 is spinal cord. Number 2 cerebrum. Number 3 cerebellum. You can also draw the diagram of parts of brain from your book, page number 57 in your classwork copy. This is your homework. I hope you got the lesson in a better way. This was Miss Kuratulan signing off. May Allah increase your knowledge. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.